Footsteps in every souls once quite now straight. I still wonder how today. This is the cost of what we take.
Voices brighter whispers now. Stories lost, too loud to tell. Every corner camera capturing dreams that pass by.
Crowded horizons built on sand. We're taking more than what we planned. Lost in the noise, no place to stand. Tourists invade a fragile land.
Shadows stretch for light once big. Focus lost, beginning to fade. Doors swinging open but hearts stay closed. Underneath the pressure grows.
Street lights point but don't leave. Looks that turn, don't know what's real. We sail on seas of shadows, leaving scars we try to hide.
Crowded horizons built on sand. We're taking more than what we planned. Lost in the noise, no place to stand. Tourists invade a fragile land. Crowded horizons built on sand. We're taking more than what we planned. Lost in the noise, no place to stand. Tourists invade a fragile land. Tourists invade a fragile land. Our song tells the story of what happens when a place gets too many tourists. It's about how things change and not always for the better. In the first part, footsteps echo on every lane, souls went quiet, now in strain. Eyes that wander, hearts that ache, this is the cost of all we take. We're talking about how it feels when our peaceful neighborhood suddenly gets super crowded. It's like everyone is stressed and sad. The quiet, calm feeling is gone, and people start to feel lost. This is the first sign that things are changing, and it's not a good change. Then in voices rise where whispers fell, stories lost, too loud to tell. Every corner a camera's eye, capturing dreams that pass us by. We're talking about how people stop talking to each other in a real way. Everything gets loud and busy. People are more interested in taking pictures than actually learning about the place. The local people feel like their stories and traditions are being ignored. It's like their dreams are being pushed aside by the tourists.
Buti hindi
The
na
chorus,
tigil dun sa kanila.
crowded horizons built on
Wala
sand.
bang kasama doon?
We're taking more than what we planned. Lost in the noise,
Bahay or
no
boarding
place to
house?
stand.
Boarding house?
Tourists invade
Bakit
a
taga
fragile
San Luis
land.
eh?
Is where we say how it feels like everything
Ay,
is built on shaky ground. It's like the place is becoming fake. Uh, we didn't plan for so many people to come, and now it's too much. The locals feel like they don't belong anymore. It's like the tourists are taking over their home. In shadows stretch where light once played, local smiles begin to fade. Doors swing open but heart stay closed. Underneath, the pressure grows. We're talking about how people stop being happy. The smiles are gone, and even though they're open to visitors, they don't really connect. It's like they're putting on a show, but inside, They're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. Finally, in street signs point but don't reveal, wheels that turn don't know what's real. We sail on seas of shallow tide, leaving scars we try to hide. We're saying that the tourist attractions don't show the real place. The visitors don't understand the local culture. It's all just surface level, and the community is left with problems that they try to hide, like damage from too many people. In conclusion, it shows that too many tourists can hurt a place, even it even if it look good at first. It's important to think about the people who live there, not just the people who visit. We need to find a way for people to visit without ruining the place for the people who call it home.